I do not understand this. I do not understand this game at all. No. I do not understand this game.
Jack, no! Get him! Get him, Jack! Get him. You won't tell anyone. Now's your chance, now's your chance. Yeah, you two fight to the death.
I don't understand this game at all.
Yes, unload a BB from each other.
He's not afraid of being knifed.
I'll do what you did last time.
No!
Whoa, did you see that? Did you see that? Whoa, he's not the guy that got behind you.
It's not like shit's not even real.
Is he there?
Yeah. Jason's being pretty suspect.
If Jason's got us go back, kill him. I'm only kidding. He spared me last game. That would be.
He's not even afraid.
That means those two are terrorists.
They must be.
But Jason's being real weird as well. There can't be 3 terrorists. We need to work this out.
Do you want all my clips?
Yes. Unload all mags. No.
I don't get the point because I didn't know if we were allowed to shoot or not if the game started.
You can shoot whenever. Like, you can shoot me now.
Yeah.
Even though you're whatever you are.
You're outside.
Shit.
Have you just got your gun unloaded?
Yeah, pretty much.
This has got a knife.
Circle of trust, we need to have a trust meeting.
Trust meeting.
Trust meeting.
What?
So you just want to like not.
You just want to skedaddle? We need to have a trust meeting real quick.
I'm so confused.
I almost think they probably got a detective that they're protecting. Maybe. I don't know. They knew one of them was mafia. They could just be trolling us all, I guess.
I don't trust anyone. I trust you. I trust you.
Okay.
Watch them.
He's got a stick.
Yeah, we're at the street.
Back up. Back it up, pal. Back it up, pal. Got your mag in.
So?
You got your mag in all of a sudden. You just cock that.
No?
They're running off. It's what's in there? See? Told you. I told you.
Oh, nice. Sneakers is over there.
Oh, I've been hiding out there.
I'm real confused. I don't know who anyone is.
It's probably
I
on
know.
those 3 because they're the only ones that have been together the whole time and they can't kill anyone because they're together. He's waiting for the right moment.
This is like a trust game.
Yeah, I don't know, I'm in the circle of trust.
Six. Wait.
Wait, what?
When did he die?
Whoa.
Well, how did he just die?
Hold on.
Whoa.
Everybody get ready.
Fuck this shit. I'm taking my clip out. Ah, fuck! Oh. Fuck you. You don't have to put like 6 rounds into my leg. You could have put 1 into my leg, not 6.
Who's still alive? You're both still alive? I'm out of fucking bullets now, damn it.
In the Jack's eye last game.
Oh my fucking
He's slowly moving the table forward. He's using it as movable cover.
Can pick up guns. You want?
There's no fucking postman and get it done, isn't there?
Yeah, he shot me like 6 times.
He's got limited shots, you know?
He was right there.
One shot.
Nah. Nah.
I've got none. He's moving it forward, he's moving the table forward, he's going to cover. He's going left, poke out.
Oh. It went through my pants.
One bullet.
Fuck him out. I don't have any ammo left. You're the only one with ammo left.
Ted, just grab one off a dead guy.
You can't do that.
Why not?
Oh, hey.
Idiot.
Oh. Oh, my leg.
I am so sorry. That was one of them.
We had a plan.
So you all aimed at me.
No, we had a plan. Everyone pick a target, killed them, and I was like, Jack, Winton, you get Jack. After both the murders were revealed, I was like, Winton, kill Jack!
I'm sorry, I only shot one bullet right there.
I
shot you.
Why?
Oh, there.
It went through my pants.
I shot you twice.
I got shot about 6 times in the same leg.
I shot you once behind there because I knew
And one went through.
We were making sure you were really, really dead.
Never shot a bullet. Where was I? Oh god! I had a feeling it was you. You're like the most
I thought it was.
with anyone.
I thought it was you. I thought it was him.
Well, all you guys were in the helicopter. I was just standing in the field just playing with a massive stick.
Yeah,
we're going
that
around
circle of trust
to get someone's
bullshit.
attention.
It's not bullshit.
So there were 3 of us, 3
It's a high
civilians
risk
left
maneuver.
there, and the detective. Only got about like what, 3 bullets left.
Look at my gun.
Oh, that was a fun last round.
How do you like trouble in terrorist town, Jack? At least you had the badass fucking MP7 the whole time. Did you wreck it?
How funny for that?
Oh, yeah, that's fine. The magazine lock actually works, so hang on, let me just, what is it? Yeah. Wait, no, it's this one. Hey.
That was a pretty good cover, the roof thing.
Something's not right.
Jack,
What?
what did you do?
Could just need some grease.
Oh no, it's just fully broken.
What?
Yeah, something broken there.
I haven't even shot anything. I'm
No,
sure.
it's not your fault. I was actually looking at it today going, this is going to break soon. See that thing there? It's on an angle.
I can see.
Pretty sure.
All of this is broken.
Oh yeah, the nozzle's fucked.
Pretty sure that's getting stuck in the nozzle and the nozzle's falling down.
Yeah. It's just fucked.
Just made me trip, fall and land on your lap. Something bad, boy.